Today, your guardian angels have a special message for you. Remarkably, you have impacted this person in ways they can't even describe, especially after your last encounter. The angels affirm that you possess a unique magnetism, capable of evoking such profound emotions that they defy any attempt at verbal explanation. Your presence left them completely speechless, particularly after the last moment you shared together. You have always been able to stir minds and make words evaporate. In your presence, their thoughts become confused and disordered, an effect they have tried, unsuccessfully, to control. But the truth is, the force of attraction they feel for you and the intensity of their feelings are too overwhelming to contain. You have this extraordinary ability to make them nervous and excited simultaneously, dismantling any semblance of composure they try to maintain. In short, you make them feel things they can't express with words, especially after the last time they saw you. And in a particularly striking way, the last encounter left an indelible impression on them, intensifying their feelings in a way they can barely comprehend. On that day, your presence was so overwhelming that it completely robbed them of their ability to express themselves verbally. They found themselves unable to look away, captured by the magnetism of your aura, and had no desire to do so. The image of you remained etched in their mind, so vivid and persistent that they often find themselves revisiting it, even in moments when you are absent. Their thoughts invariably gravitate toward you, and the feelings this evokes are so intense that they emerge spontaneously, even in your physical absence. Finding the right words to describe these emotions has been a challenge for them, as none seem powerful enough to capture the essence of what they feel. They long to express the breadth of their emotions, wishing they could reveal how much you mean to them and the profound impact your beauty and presence have on their life. However, they are aware that words may not be sufficient to do justice to the depth and intensity of their feelings. Therefore, they ask that you do not interpret their silence or lack of communication as a lack of intense or complex feelings. Their silence, in reality, serves as a testament to the magnitude of their emotions, which are so vast and deep that they sometimes become inexpressible. Recognizing this can be challenging, and that is why your guardian angels are sending this message, so that you understand that the difficulty in communicating does not diminish the reality of their feelings. Often, it can be extremely difficult for someone to verbalize emotions that have never been felt before, making it even more complicated to convey these sensations to another person, especially when these feelings are directed at the one who impacts them the most. This does not mean they do not feel deeply for you. On the contrary, it indicates an emotion so significant that it transcends the usual capacity for expression. Understand that it is crucial not to let their emotional journey negatively influence your perception of the relationship. Comprehend the overwhelming impact you have on people. Your presence, filled with charisma and magnetism, possesses the rare ability to leave someone utterly speechless, a power that few possess and many desire. It is essential that you recognize how unique this ability makes you. The way you affect them is exclusively yours. It is not something that can be replicated or experienced with anyone else. This makes you an incomparable figure in their life, a presence so remarkable that it sets you apart from everyone else. You are not just another person in their world, you are their world. The emotions you evoke in them are deep and personal, shaped by the essence of who you are. You are in a league of your own, playing a game only you can play, and no one else even comes close to the level of influence you hold. Even if they consider other possibilities, their mind and heart inevitably guide them back to you, because no one else is capable of making them feel what you make them feel. This power is a testament to the exclusive connection you share, a bond that transcends the ordinary and rises to the extraordinary. They are aware of how desirable you are to many, a reality that only intensifies their fear of losing the opportunity to be by your side. Others, undoubtedly, perceive your brilliance and could easily be drawn to your light. They recognize that their hesitation in expressing their feelings could open the door for someone else to capture your attention. The awareness of this drives them to want to reveal their deepest feelings, not only to preserve the special bond you share, but also to strengthen your connection. They understand the importance of not keeping their emotions hidden, for every moment that passes is a missed opportunity. The last time they saw you intensified this urgency, causing their desire for you to grow even more, making you more present in their mind and more passionate in their heart. They are now determined to find the right words, the only ones that can adequately express the magnitude of their adoration and the depth of their attraction. They know these words need to be spoken, and they need to say them soon, before it's too late. It is of utmost importance to them that you deeply understand their feelings. With this in mind, they are dedicating themselves to a period of introspection and reflection to find the exact words that might express the magnitude of their emotions. These words, they believe, may not yet exist in common vocabulary, but they are committed to making the effort to shape their language in a way that can at least begin to convey the intensity of what they feel for you. They recognize that you are a person who deserves to know the profound impact you have on them, the way you awaken feelings of love and admiration they have rarely experienced before. For this reason, they ask for your patience. You are someone of inestimable value, worthy of genuine and deep love, and deserve to be with someone who not only understands this but desires and is willing to express these feelings openly. If you share these feelings, they hope you can create a safe space where they can feel free to express their emotions without fear of being misunderstood or rejected. They want their words, when finally found and spoken, to be received with the same intensity of love with which they are offered. Let the love they feel for you serve as a constant reminder of your own worth and the quality of treatment you should expect in any relationship. Do not settle for anything less than the respect and adoration you deserve. Embracing the love offered to you, understanding that you deserve far more than the minimum, is essential to maintaining your self-esteem and emotional well-being. You are a truly special person, capable of inspiring unique feelings in those around you. This is something intrinsic to who you are and will not change, regardless of where you are or what you decide to do in your life. Your essence has the power to make others feel elevated and loved, a rare and precious quality. Therefore, while they try to find the right words, those that can begin to describe the indescribable, remember the power and influence you naturally wield. Continue to live knowing that you are loved, that your actions and your being have a significant impact on others, and that you should always be treated with the utmost care and respect. This is the foundation on which genuine and lasting feelings are built, and it is what they aspire to provide in every interaction with you. I want to end with a prayer for you, Lord, as she hears these sincere and truthful words. May her spirit be deeply touched and her heart wrapped in a mantle of comfort and serenity. Allow her to feel the immense depth of the emotions these words carry, and to understand the immeasurable importance of her presence in the lives of those around her. Infuse her heart with the strength needed to fully embrace the love that surrounds her, the love that flows from all directions and manifests in the most varied forms. Grant her the wisdom to see herself as she truly is, a worthy, valuable, and whole being. May this realization bring new light to her existence, illuminating the paths she walks and the choices she makes. May she move forward with her head held high and her heart firm, strengthened by the confidence and self-assurance that come from recognizing that she is deeply loved and deserving of all the love and goodness the universe has to offer. May she never doubt the love she receives, nor underestimate the capacity to love that resides in her heart. May every step she takes be guided by the certainty that she is not alone and that she is a source of inspiration to many. Amen. Take a moment to allow these words to resonate in your spirit. Remember that you are loved and protected by the universe. Type 555 to claim this message and the blessings it contains for you. Leave a positive comment for other viewers who may need a boost of positivity in their day. The universe sees this as an act of kindness that feeds the cycle of good karma. You will be spreading positivity and receiving blessings from the universe in return. And stay tuned for the next important message awaiting you in the next video. May God and the universe illuminate your steps with peace, love, and faith. Amen.